Yo, what's up men? Nirvana MB na naman nga pala to. Ang reviewer na walang tira men. Kilala nyo na, walang iba. AKA Tito Blooms React men. Ito, sa unang video natin for Beanie Monday men. Shoutout sa mga ka-blooms natin dyan. Ang inyong lingkod men. Ang Tito Bloom ng lahat. So ito men, maraming nag-request na nito men. Actually hindi ko na ma-share dito sa screenshot kasi yun nga, madami na nag-request ng mga ka-blooms natin diyan dito sa kantang to men. Ang title nito men, Blink Twice from Beanie men. Spatan na natin to men. Hindi ko pa to napapakinggan actually. First hand ulit men. Beanie Monday special. Let's go. Wait lang. Si Maloy, si Sarah G, si Sheena. Ito yung nalimutan ko agad to men. Ito yung medyo parang intimidating. Wait lang. Wait. Nawala.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it.
Wait lang, ito yung nasa dulo na ng dila ko yung pangalan nito men. Ito yung may nanay siya na ano men, kumbaga tinaguyod siya ng single parent niya. Ang pangalan nito men. Sige, pass muna ako.
So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my
Sarah G. Sheena.
best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it.
Wait lang, si Aya.
Cause you know I'm running it.
Aya. Maloy.
I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo. If you like me, blink twice.
Okay.
Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you
Si ano to? Si Nadine Lustre. Ano ba yan? Nalimutan ko na kaagad men. Si Nadine Lustre. Sino nga ba yung Sige men. Lalanin ko na lang.
let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at
Maangas na rhymes yun ah. Men, ibabalik natin ng onte.
Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be lazy.
Okay.
Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better
Come over and chase me.
amaze me.
You amaze me?
This spot, baby.
Okay.
Tell me, are you
Ito si Gwen. Men, marami na rin akong kilala. Yun nga lang, nalilimutan ko yung iba.
ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony.
Naalala ko men, no? Hindi pala. Ano yung sasabihin ko? Sobrang angas nung ano talaga nila men, no? Nung mga music video, yung production value. Since nga under sila ng ABS-CBN men, alam naman natin kung gaano ka-quality gumawa ang ABS-CBN men.
Like that. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice?
Okay.
Maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you
Okay,
really
Aya?
like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you
Broken
really
Hearted?
like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Ay, wait lang. Men, Nadine Lustre equals Joanna? Men, feeling ko si Joanna yun eh. Wait lang men ha. First, hindi naman sa first time ko gagawin to. Beanie Joanna. Feeling ko Joanna yun, men. Boom! Siya nga, men. Boom! Nadine Lustre, Joanna. At least naalala ko, men. Humabol.
Just looking at me.
You know, men. When it comes doon sa doon talaga sa production value, men, top notch talaga ang Bini doon. Isa pa, doon nga sa singing naman nila, men, doon sa rap pa, doon talaga ako doon sa rapping ability part, doon ako, kumbaga, doon, kung bakit ako nandito, men, kung bakit ako patuloy na gumagawa ng reaction video sa Bini, men. Kumbaga, yun yung kumonekta sa akin, yun yung tumagos na radar sa akin kasi nagra-rap nga rin talaga sila, men. Ang kagandahan dun, men, sobrang dami nilang nadadaanan, sobrang daming genre na pwede nilang tagusan, men, katulad ko. At maraming salamat sa mga kabulums natin yan. Another napakaangas, men, na kanta from Bini, men. Ano na naman siya, parang empowerment, men, sa atin na binibigay, men, or kung kahit sino makakapanood nito. At yun, men, kung meron pa kayong mga pwedeng paspatan dyan, comment down below. At proceed tayo doon sa second upload natin for today, Bini Monday Special. At kung nakaabot kami sa puntong ito na hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka naman pwede mong i-click yung subscribe button dyan sa Gedli para at least, men, updated ka sa mga ilalabas natin mga reaction video katulad nito, men. Ingat palagi, good vibes, subscribes, peace, Tito Blooms out.